Dear student, today we are going to start the unit first of pisciculture paper. As you know, pisciculture means raising of fish in artificial condition or in captivity. For growing of fish, the first requirement is the construction of fish farm. For construction of fish farm, the main important things that topography, soil type and water supply. So for the construction of fish farm, the selection of site is important. Proper site, good quality of water, soil having a more water retention capacity, assured water supply to fill in ponds at any time of the year. The economics of fish pond construction and the productivity of pond largely depend on the selection of suitable site for culture activity. The more important aspect of fish farm construction are topography, soil type and water supply. First, topography. Topography or layout of land is the surface feature. Topography means the surface feature. The ideal topography of a fish farm site is gently sloping terrain. Terrain means in Marathi we call as a Bhupradesh. What type of surface area of that land? Whether that is plain, whether that is gently sloping. So that is a terrain of a wide valley, gently sloping terrain of a wide valley or basin surrounded on three sides with high lands and with a narrow outlet on the fourth. So gently sloping or valley shaped or bowl shaped surface area or land or three sides high and one side is low, so that is the ideal topography for the construction of fish pond. If such type of topography is there, so their investment is reduced on the construction of fish pond. So ideal topography is the gently sloping, wide valley shaped or three sides high, one side narrow outlet or low, that is ideal topography. The next criteria, soil type. The soil should be free from vertical and lateral seepage, water leakage. Such impervious soils are ordinarily heavy clay, silty clay, clay loam, etc. The ideal site for fish construction, heavy clay means black soil, silty clay in Marathi we call as a गाळ. पाण्याच्या प्रवाहाबरोबर जो वाहून येणारा गाळ असतो तो. त्यानंतर क्ली लोम, चिकन माती. Such type of soils they have high water holding capacity. Water percolation is prevented from such soils. So, pond should not be constructed over a sandy soils because sand is too porous to retain water. If the selected site is poor in water retentivity, retention capacity, clay has to be brought from elsewhere and clay coating and puddle core has to be provided to make the ponds retain water. If ideal soil is not there, sandy soil is there, sandy soils that through that sandy soils water percolate and the level of pond water is decreasing. So always we are fill the ponds. So if we are constructing the fish pond on such sandy soils, so there is a remedy: collect the heavy soil from other places and give the coating of that black soil to the surface of the pond, so that prevent the leakage of waters or that prevent the seepage of water. And puddle course means there is a central part of that ponds or bunds band. There is a mixture of soil, sand and water making a paste and giving the layer of that paste on the surface of the ponds or the bunds of the ponds, so that prevent the leakage of water if ideal soil is not there. Okay, the large quantities of water and cow dung that also improve the water retention capacity of poor soils. If we are mixing or spreading the cow dung in the surface of pond, so that cow dung that also goes down to the bottom and settle on the surface of the bottom, that also prevent the leakage of water or seepage of waters. So that is the remedy for when we are using the sandy soil for the construction of fish pond. Then third important criteria: without water we cannot do anything. Adequate and dependable source of water is important. Perennial water source is available. Throughout the year water should be available as and when we require to fill the ponds. The usual sources of water supply are reservoirs, streams, springs, canals, surface run off and wells. A source of water supply to fill the ponds against losses due to seepage and evaporation is therefore essential and should be ready at hand. So level of water is decreasing due to the seepage of water or due to the evaporation. So frequently we are filling the ponds. So for that the water is available in adequate quantity, or water source should be perennial. Throughout the water should be present. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can ask on the WhatsApp group, or you can ask me on the mobile also. Okay, in the next lecture we will see the layout of fish pond.